Being firm in cross-examination is usually vital. It helps you keep control of the witness, maintain focus in the exchange, and make impact. But excessive firmness can tip into bullying. Being fair will increase your credibility and persuasiveness, as well as help avoid a backlash from the witness and ensure the exchange is constructive. But don't overdo it. In the pursuit of fairness, you can lose control and seem weak. So let's put them on a continuum so that we can build a tool which will allow you to connect your tone with your questioning technique. A firm tone is easily and naturally coupled with a direct and declaratory wording. Fairer tone typically goes hand in hand with questions phrased in a more inquiring and consensus-seeking way. Let's put the two together. Tone is left to right, and question technique top to bottom. The first quadrant pairs a firm tone with a direct form of expression. This will work well in many cases, particularly in more adversarial hearings. But on the other hand, it might not be the perfect way to talk about more nuanced points, and can seem oppressive if you go too far. This pairing, i.e. a firm tone and an inquiring question type, is less common. But we will use this combination when we look at, for example, how to tempt witnesses into giving answers that conflict with other witnesses. But always be careful with more inquiring questions in case they give control back to the witness. Being both fair-minded and inquiring is the least controlling combination, but this combination can make an advocate seem likable, empathetic, and consensus-seeking. In more robust litigation, being in this quadrant could simply lead to you being a pushover. Being fair-minded but direct is a good combination. Ideally, advocates will alternate between being firm and direct and fair and direct. If your witness is abrasive and argumentative, you may find that you need to increase your firmness in order to retain control. If your witness is charming, you may need to relax the firmness of your tone and focus on being fair. Here are the key points.